friends, welcome back to my channel Bubbles V, and in this video I will be showing you 3 simple Halloween makeup that you can carry to your Halloween parties this coming weekend. Okay, so without wasting any further time, let's get started with the video. So let's start with our first makeup look. Okay. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल स्टार्ट विथ आवर आई मेकअप. ओके, बिकॉज इन हेलोइन हमारा आईज का मेकअप जो है वो थोड़ा हैवी रहेगा, तो कि हम ताकि हम तो डरावने लग सकें. ठीक है, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट वी विल बी अप्लाइंग टू आवर आईज विल बी दिस कंसीलर. ओके, then we will use this setting powder, set our concealer. As much as you can blend, just blend it so that it look more perfect. The more you blend your eyes, it will look more perfect. Okay, so now just to take some more color, the more shade that you've used previously, and blend it more just to give your eyes a very nice depth. Just blend, blend and blend. Okay, and also blend the same shade to the inner corner of your eye. Okay, so that it will look quite contoured. Okay, and now use the black shadow and put it over your crease line just to give it a more depth, and blend it. Just blend it as much as you can. Just blend it more softly until it becomes so soft and seamless. Okay, just blend it. You have to take more black shadow and you have to blend it again. Just blend it and fill your lower eyelid with it entirely, like this. Again, take some more black shadow and give it a nice blend. This will wanna be your final blend. Now just take the black shadow and fill your lower eyelids with this. Now take the pink one and then blend it with the black color, like this. And in the end, you have to take a sort of highlighter and put it in the very right corner of your eye. Okay, very right or very left corner of your eye, whatever it is. Yes, and that's it, and you're good to go. Okay, so we will do the same makeup on this eye. Okay, so I have done the makeup on this same kind of makeup on both the eyes. Okay, so before starting any further makeup, हम अपने फेस को थोड़ा सा वाइप कर लेंगे, क्योंकि जो भी डस्ट और मेकअप आए का हमारे और फेस पे गिरा हमारे मेकअप को, फेस को खराब ना करे. We'll apply foundation and we will now we will start with the base. Okay. Okay, so in Halloween makeup, contouring and highlighting is very must, so you cannot skip this part. Okay, so since you have reached the desired tone that you wanted of your skin, now for the contouring you have to use the black shade, not the brown one, because you have to look some kind of horror in this. So you always have to choose a black contour for contouring your face, so that it could define you more well-fully. Time and blend it very nicely, but since it's a black color, don't just pull it off all over your face, otherwise you will look so dark. Just rub over the line only and give it a nice blend. adding a sort of black contour here and blending it nicely, and then ditching the same brush into the shade that you've put in here. Blend that shade over it. Okay. Look how good it turned out. Okay, so for your lips, okay, so all those people who are not carrying a black shade lipstick like me, I am telling you a hack to you in this video. Okay, so the hack is, let's get started. First of all, line up your lips nicely, or before that, just put some highlighter concealer to your lips. After that, give your lips a nice outline or line it up. You can even leave your lips dead like this. Just apply concealer over it and just leave it like this. You will definitely gonna rock in the party. But for those who really wanted to bring out your lips and everything of your face to come out vibrantly, they can try this thing. Now take the black shadow from your eye palette and fill your lips with this. Okay. Like this. Okay, so you can leave your lips like this only. Okay, this also looking very nice. And for further more look, you can also fill your lower lip with this liner. Like this. Isn't it looking nice? Okay. So this is gonna be my final look. Okay, so with this makeup you can wear any your sexy black outfit and just don't comb your hair, go it open and messy, and just rock the party. Isn't it looking nice? You can even put eyelashes over it. I haven't put it because right now I am lacking them. Okay, but you can go with the fake eyelashes, and that should be very big. Okay, you don't have to go for a light one. You can carry big eyelashes with this, and it will gonna enhance your look. Okay, so I hope you liked my video. You will definitely gonna like it. It was the easiest makeup that you can carry with the makeup that you have in your house. You don't have to purchase anything else from the market. The only thing that has to be purchased in the Halloween makeup was the black lipstick, and that is the hack that I have given you in this. So just try on this hack and you're good to go at the party. Okay, so this is my final look. I hope you all like it. Do share your views in the comment section regarding my look, and do like the video, do share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.